again, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm showing you one more house for today. I'm still looking for property for one of my friends. This is a street. This is not the best street, let me tell you. And that's how usually people live. When they live, they're leaving all their stuff outside. And this is the house that I'm looking at. It's also say rent ready. As you can see, it was a house that was here, got demolished. So let's go in and see if it's any good. I don't know if you can see it, but from here, house look kind of strange. It has bubble. Not sure. And this porch, it's not stable neither. Okay, this is the entrance. It doesn't look bad from the beginning, but it smells smoke inside for sure. People were smoking here. Okay, not bad at all. This is a kitchen. A really big one, but strange configuration, I would say. And this is the exit. Somebody was trying to break in, and this was a leak. Oh, it's just pantry. Floors need to be done. And this is basement. Let's see if there is a light. I'm gonna go in. If there is none, I will not. Probably I will not. And as you can see, that's what I was talking about. Okay, let's try. These walls really, but they try to stabilize, I guess, building walls. Yep, this is walls that kind of moving, and they try to build additional walls to support it, I would say. So this house has a foundation problems. This has AC. This is a good one, new one. Not new, but not that old. Some cabinets need to be removed. Water heater. Not bad for the basement, I would say. Okay. So this is a kitchen. One room and entrance. And this room has a closet. And I believe it's a second floor. Yeah. And on the second floor we have bathroom, which is kind of done. One room. Strange configuration, but it's a room. And one more room. And Christmas tree, if you like it. Yeah, everything looks solid here. Just some repairs right there. And some small things that need to be done, but it's pretty much ready for rent. And I like that it has a bathroom on the second floor. Do you remember if it has a bathroom in the first one? Let's see. This was the entrance. This is closet. Okay. 2. And no, it does not have a bathroom. Let's see here. Oh, this was a basement. Yeah, the only problem, it doesn't have a bathroom on the first floor. Other than this, I mean, area it's not great, but so many people like to live in this neighborhood because it's really close to downtown, to all the stores, shops. So it's maybe a good buy. What do you think? Thank you. And if you like the video, please click like, subscribe to the channel. It's really helping me to stay motivated and continue doing this video for you. Thank you.